Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Izzie. So today I'll be showing you guys how to do big box braids on natural hair. I have my castor oil, my rubber bands, and my hair extensions I got from Amazon. So this is what it looks like. I used about 3 or 3.5 of that. I'm just going to oil my bands just so it doesn't pull on my natural hair so much. I'm going to section my hair into this size because I didn't want the braid to be too small or too tiny, so this size is just right for me. And I'll go ahead to do this all over my hair. Yes, so I'm done with that. See, this is actually very easy and fast. I've tried to braid my hair before, but I spent like 8 hours. This took me about 4 hours, I guess. So I'm going to use my shine and jam on my hair because my hair is pretty thick and I want it to slick down a bit so it's easier for me to weave. And then I part it into my natural hair, into 3 parts. Then I'd go underneath the rubber band on my hair and pass my crochet pin through that. I'm taking this little piece because it's going to fold at the end to form one of the parts that I'll be weaving. I don't know if that makes sense, but just keep watching. So I'm putting it over the crochet pin, close the loop, and then pull it out. You have to be careful with this step because it can tangle very easily. I think this one tangled a bit. Yeah, it sucks, but I could work with it. Yeah, so I'm going to fold this now and to form like one of the parts that I'll be weaving. Then I'm going to go ahead with a bigger section of hair extension. So I'm just trying to arrange the hair basically because it's easier for me to just do it that way. So I'm adding the bigger section. I'm taking it on both ends and just weaving. I really don't know how to explain this. It's so difficult to explain, but I hope watching it is enough for you. Don't worry, I'll do some other ones that you can see later on.
One eternity later.
So I am done with most parts of the hair. This is closer to the camera, so I'm sure you guys can see this better than the last one. So I'm just going to repeat the process. Taking a small piece. Sometimes you may need to twist or roll the middle of the hair rather. That way it's easier to just slip into the curve at the tip of the needle. So you grab that and just close the loop, pull it out. You see, this one was easier to do. I think with time, practice, it just gets better. I'm going over with a big piece. I have already sectioned my hair into 3. It's actually very tricky. Yeah, so I just weave. I think I made the front a bit too big. I mean, the size of the parting on my natural hair. I think I made it too big, but that's fine. We learn every day. I'll do better next time. This is very beginner friendly. I really hope that you can understand what I'm doing and be able to replicate it. So just weaving and weaving and weaving and weaving. Man, I could not feel my arms after this because I had a long day before doing this. I started this about 7 p.m. at night and I finished about 10-ish or 11 actually. So I'm doing the same hair. Use my shine and jam. Why is that so hard to pronounce? Shine and jam. Yeah, to sort of relax my hair a bit. Go over with the tiny piece and my crochet pin. So you have to pull at this point just so it's a bit firm and secured at the roots of the hair. I'll just weave. Because my hair is natural and the extension is pretty straight and sleek, I'd have to hide the tip of my hair, of my natural hair, underneath the extension. I'll show you that in a moment. So you can see my hair is sticking out, and because I want it to last a bit longer, I'm just going to tuck it underneath the straight hair extension and weave it tightly. And I'll do this until I get past my natural hair in the braids. See that again? Just tuck it under and weave tightly. Sorry about the siren, they pass through my street every day. Anyway, so I'll just weave to the end. So because this is at the front and I want the braid to be the same length as the ones at the back when I pack it, I'm just going to attach a tiny piece of hair extension to this part and continue weaving because the hair is actually not long enough at the front. I hope that makes sense. So we're finally done. Yay! Oh my god, I could not feel my arms. What? Anyway, I didn't see the need to trim this braid because it was pretty sleek and smooth enough for me actually, but then I had to put in hot water because the tips were standing out, they were not relaxed. So after putting it in hot water, I used this foam spray to further seal it and give it some shine. Just going to do this over on all the braids. So that's pretty much it actually. This is supposed to be beginner friendly. I really hope that it was that you could understand what I was doing throughout the video. Let me know if you'd like to try this down in the comment section, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe, please. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye.